Welcome to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's much-anticipated budget-friendly gem, the iPhone Southeast 4. Brace yourselves for a detailed exploration as we uncover the top-tier features of the iPhone SE 4, dissecting whether Apple's endeavors transcend mere marketing hype. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey of discovery. Let's kick off with the beating heart of the iPhone Southeast 4. Its CPU. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer might of the upgraded A16 Bionic chip. This true powerhouse ensures seamless performance even in the tech-savvy landscape of 2024. Also found in the iPhone 14 series, this formidable processor guarantees a lag-free user experience, setting the stage for a device that's truly in a league of its own. Now, let's shine the spotlight on some of the standout features of the iPhone Southeast 4. Apple's ingenious inclusion of the new Action button, reminiscent of the iPhone 15 series, is a stroke of brilliance. Particularly in a compact device like the SE 4, this multifunctional button promises unparalleled convenience, granting users swift access to many functions with just a tap. Compactness meets versatility, a match made in tech heaven. Speaking of compactness, bid farewell to constraints with the iPhone SE 4's expansive 6.1-inch display. This significant upgrade from its predecessor's 4.7-inch screen, adorned with a home button, offers a visual feast, elevating your viewing experience to unprecedented heights. Crafted by BOE, this new display guarantees vivid, lifelike visuals. Now, let's delve into memory and storage. Brace yourselves for a major boost. Leaks suggest a generous 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This is a substantial leap from the modest 4 GB of the previous SE model. Say hello to lightning-fast multitasking and a buttery-smooth user interface. And with storage options ranging from 128 GB to a hopping 512 GB, bid farewell to storage woes once and for all. But what about the piece de resistance, the camera? Prepare to be enchanted by the iPhone Southeast 4's robust support for 180-degree cinematic mode, courtesy of its single 48MP camera. While other iPhones rely on main and ultra-wide cameras for this feature, Apple's innovative techniques and AI enhancements promise to redefine cinematic excellence. Additionally, expect smart HDR photography and portrait mode to elevate your photography game to new heights. However, the absence of night mode raises eyebrows, leaving us intrigued by Apple's design choices. In essence, the iPhone SE 4 is undergoing a metamorphosis of unparalleled proportions, redefining both form and function. As for its grand debut, the launch date remains shrouded in mystery. While some speculate a 2025 release, whispers of an earlier unveiling linger in the air. Stay tuned to this channel for the latest updates on this technological marvel. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the iPhone SE 4. Share your insights in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more riveting tech content. Until next time, peace out.